Good day everyone, my name is Kendall St. Louis, also known as Mr. Ladnek, and today I'm going to show you guys our simple process of rug cleaning. First thing we do when rugs come into our organization is we tag our rugs, we'll put the name of the client, and we'll also log that information on our computer along with their address and contact number. Then we would look at starting the process of cleaning those rugs. First, we'll saturate the rug with water so that we get the fibers all wet and moist. So the second part of our process is where we use a hot water washer to agitate and lift the dirt in the fibers of the carpet. So the third step in our carpet cleaning process is where we use a floor machine equipped with a nylon carpet brush to agitate the fibers in the carpet. So now we're going to rinse the rug again using the hot water pressure washer. And what the hot water allows is us to go deep into the fibers and take off further dirt and grime, and also the residue of the chemical we would have used to shampoo the carpet. Now this is important so that we can alleviate the carpet drying and giving you a frowsy smell. You ever shampooed your carpet at home and when it dries it has a frowsy smell, and that is because the fibers in the carpet won't clean properly and they were allowed to dry with that dirt and grime. Right, so now we're going to extract as much water as possible from the rug in order to speed up the drying process. So after the process of using the extractor to take out any excess water from the rug, we allow the rugs to air dry with direct sunlight. After the rugs are dry, we plastic wrap them before returning to our customers. At Ladnek, the cost to do this service is $5 per square feet. We do offer pickup and delivery, and our rug cleaning depot functions all through the year. So anytime you feel like having your rug clean, you can give us a call, we can pick up, or you could drop it off at our office, whichever is convenient.